Banana bread is one of the happiest comfort foods you can eat and one of the easiest you can make. This is the perfect way to transform blackened bananas into a fluffy, sweet, heavenly delicacy that everyone will love. This recipe is homely and fuss-free. Most items should be available in your pantry, and you can totally make this on a whim. But if you don't have the bananas or the patience, you can take your fresh bananas and bake them at 180 degrees for 10 minutes until they're brown and soft. Like any good baker, you should separate your dry and wet ingredients. For the dry ingredients, we'll start with flour. This can be replaced with almond flour for a healthier option. Now some baking powder, a little baking soda, and some cinnamon powder, which goes splendidly with bananas. Finally, a pinch of salt. Whisk it all together. Whisking means you don't have to sift. Now add in the toppings of your choice. We're going with antioxidant-rich pumpkin seeds, some sunflower seeds, and watermelon seeds, wholesome walnuts, and some fibrous chia seeds also. Now for the wet ingredients. Start off by whisking some coconut oil with brown sugar. Combining fat and sugar is the starting point of most baked goods. Now add in the bananas and mash them up using a fork. They should be quite runny, but you can leave in chunks if you'd like. Now add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in batches. It's just easier to mix if you do it in batches. Mix gently until everything is combined and then you're ready to bake. If you're using a metal tin, make sure to grease it. Now we line our tin with 3 sheets of baking paper. Make sure to create flaps that will help you pull your bread out later. Grease the tin with oil or butter after placing each sheet to make sure nothing sticks. You can even buy a silicone tin, which means you can skip all these steps. Pour it in and top it with some extra seeds and nuts. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes. When your house smells heavenly and the top is browned, you're all done. Insert a skewer in the middle, and if it comes out clean, the bread is cooked. Let this cool for at least 15 to 30 minutes before carefully pulling it out of the tin. Slice it up for the fam and enjoy it plain or toasted. And you'll never look at blackened bananas the same way again. After this video, you'll be going bananas for banana bread. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.